hello, all you beautiful people, and also you too, geometry class. Hey, welcome to a new year, and it's going to be a good year learning geometry, and it's going to be all just giggles and good times. So why don't we start? We're going to start with chapter 1, lesson 1, okay? And honestly, this is just introductory stuff. They're going to introduce mostly 3 terms to you. First one is going to be a point. And a point, we've already kind of dealt with this, like in algebra, you learned about a point could be like in space, could be like the point 2, 3. In geometry, a point just simply stands for a point in space. That's all it is. And usually it's going to be just denoted with a letter. The letters are going to be a capital letter. So like this point, we can call it point A. That's mostly how we're going to deal with points in geometry. Second word is going to be a line. And a line in geometry just connects 2 points. Okay? It doesn't just connect them, it actually goes through 2 points. So point A and a point B. And we drew something straight that goes through both of those and kept going forever in both directions. That would be a line. Now we can call this line different things, but most of the time we're going to call it line. We could either write line AB, or sometimes they just abbreviate it AB and they'll do a little line symbol above it. You could also call this BA because it doesn't matter which direction we're going. And then sometimes they might just have something off to the left, and you could call that line X if you wanted. Okay? Those would be 4 ways, but mostly I think you're going to usually call it line AB or with the little symbol AB, something like that. So that's a line. The last example that we want to do is called a plane. And again, in geometry, we did a plane, or sorry, in algebra, we did a plane. You know, like we talked about the coordinate plane a lot. And this was the y-axis, this was the x-axis. And we had thought of this whole flat surface as being a plane. In geometry, the way we talk about a plane is a flat surface, and like if there's 3 points like this, let's say this is A, B, and C, then a plane is going to be able to take in all 3 of those points. Any 3 points, you can have one flat plane that goes through them. So anyway, and then as far as I'm talking about, or like talking, you would say it's the plane ABC or CBA or whatever, CBA, CAB, however, whatever order you want to talk about those things, you can talk about that plane. So points, lines, and planes, that's going to be something we talk a lot about this year. A couple other words that may catch you, but I think if just a minute of thinking, you'll get them. Collinear, just like the word looks like, it has to do with a line, and co means together. So like points A and B are collinear. They're on the same line. Points A and C are not collinear. They're not on that same line. And then coplanar, again, almost you can just see it in there. These are points that are on the same plane. So A, B, and C in this case are on the same plane. All right, I think that's it for today. I'm out.